I'll give you a second to read the problem. Got it? Good. Let's suppose that there are 100 memberships last year. So the number of memberships this year is 15% lower than last year. So what's 15% of 100? 15. So to figure out this year, what do we do with 115? We figure out the number of memberships this year by subtracting 115. We get 85 this year. So I'll write last year here and this year here. Okay, and the next line says the number of memberships this year, so 85, that's the number of memberships this year, is equal to K times, so K times the number of memberships last year, which was how much again? 100. And they want to figure out K. So what do we do to both sides to figure out K? We divide both sides by 100. And in order to divide 85 by 100, just stick a decimal point from the second to last digit. So it becomes 0.85 is equal to K. This is your answer. However, what if we didn't start out with 100? Let's say we started out with M memberships. So the number of memberships this year is 15% lower than last year. So what's 15% of M? Well, 15%, to convert from percent to decimal, you just stick a decimal point from the second to last digit. So it would be 0.15 M. And the number of memberships this year, you just subtract these because it's 15% lower. So you get 0.85 M. And similar to over here, if the number of memberships this year, so the number of memberships this year, I'll put this here, and last year up here. So 0.85 M is equal to K times, so K times the number of memberships last year, which was how much again? M. We need to figure out the value of K. So like we did over here, what should we do to both sides of this equation? We need to divide by M. So let's go ahead and do that. 0.85 M divided by M is equal to K. Is there something we can cancel out on top and bottom? Yes, because there's M in the numerator and M in the denominator, we can just cross them out, and we get K is 0.85. So this is your answer and your proof.